Hi. Today I was just wandering in my room when I realized that there comes this time in life जब तुम्हें लगता है कि you are free but you are still trapped at the same time. Like the doors are open but you can't step out. Like that there is something holding you down that is invisible but you can feel it. Maybe it's not a cage. Maybe it's just a fear of flying. You see, the biggest prison isn't the one where someone locks you in. It's the one you build around yourself. जैसे तुमने realize किया होगा कि how trapped we are inside our own thoughts. I can't do this. What will people think? I am not good enough. These lines, these words, they are the one captivated by your brain. Then one day you start to feel that this isn't life. It's just a loop. Same people, same fears, same thought. But hey, if you feel like you're caged, that means you still remember what freedom feels like. Maybe today you don't have to break out. Maybe today you just need to realize that the door was never locked. You thought you were weak, but you have been carrying the weight of that invisible wall. And that is not weakness. That is survival. So maybe it's time. Time to stop asking for permission. Time to stop waiting for the right moment. Time to stop living like you owe the world an explanation. You don't need the key to escape. You just need the courage to walk. Because freedom isn't a place. It's a choice that you always had.